Could it be you calling me down, 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 down? My foolish heart turns at the stars.
Alright, I'm dressed, so I'm gonna head out and get the day started. What's up? It's your girl Amber Ashley. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm gonna be showing 4 shirts that I purchased from Spencer's. When I went in there, they had a sale for buy one for $20, get the second shirt for $1. So these 4 shirts I purchased and I spent about $42 plus tax. If you do not know about Spencer's, it's a streetwear brand. They're usually located in like malls. I've never seen them on main roads or anything, but definitely check them out. They're similar to like Zuma's, Journeys. So yes, they have an assortment of items aside from clothing that you can purchase. This is the first shirt. If you're a Wu-Tang fan, you know who this is, Jizza. I wore it, but I cut the sleeves off to match my outfit, and I'll be putting clips in to show you guys. That's the first shirt. The back is black. I bought all of these oversized so it could drape. So you'll see it on the last one. It says large. I haven't worn it. This shirt is a Prince shirt. And I'm going to put a clip in. Back is, it's like a cream, off-white, eggshell color. So that's that. Next shirt is Wrap Snacks. Haven't worn this yet. As you can see, it's like it's oversized. So that's that. And last but not least, we got Ice Cube. Increase the piece. Obviously, I haven't worn this yet. Still got the tag. And the back is white. So I'm going to be styling those. I guess I can push them back here. Well, the last 2, because I wore the first 2 already. So definitely check them out. I'll link their website down below. And let me know which shirt you like the best. If you wear streetwear, I have an assorted array of clothes. Like, I'm very versatile, obviously being a stylist, so I'll wear whatever I think is quality and looks nice, you know? But be sure to like, subscribe, comment below which shirt you like the best, if you heard about Spencer's, if it's new, and I will catch you on the next video. Alright, stay safe, stay healthy, stay blessed, and have a marvelous day.